Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. This is actually part 2 because we didn't really do this justice last time. This is the UHU F-22 Raptor, and I think last time I flew it a few days ago I was flying it in medium mode. So on the transmitter, Al, you can see that it's got beginner, expert and beginner, medium and expert modes, and I tried off in first flight on medium mode and it's quite sensitive. So I'm going to try it in beginner mode this time and just see how slow and stable we can fly it. Here we go. Actually, when I'm hand launching, what I prefer to do is keep my hand on the ready for pitch and roll rather than on the power. Let's do that. Here we go. Well, the other thing about today is there is zero wind today, and that is pretty smooth, I'd say. And that's the limit of the roll in that mode. Sorry Al, that was a bit close, wasn't it? Wow, that's actually pretty good. So that's beginner mode. Let's flick it into medium mode. Ooh, and then so a lot more sensitive now. Yeah. So the frustrating thing with it is that this, and somebody mentioned it in the comments the other day, the porpoising effect. And what you have to learn to do is to let it fly by itself, I think. So, and just correct for it. So that's better, isn't it? Right, so let's ooh, getting too slow there. And when it gets too slow, you lose all roll control. Right, so that's medium mode. Let's try expert mode. Actually, should have done that when I was closer. So best to switch into the different modes when you're a lot closer to yourself, because it is small, it gets away and you can't tell what it's doing. So I put it back in beginner mode. And I'll flick into expert mode next pass. Okay, now. So fully aerobatic now because it's in expert mode. But the thing with it is it will stall. So you have to keep the speed up. So this is not a model for a beginner. and back into beginner mode. Which I kind of prefer out of all the three modes, to be honest. It's just more relaxing. So let's land. Much better, much better. And the zero wind today, although I just think it's more fun to fly in that beginner mode. It is super sensitive. In the medium mode and expert mode, well, the same, more aerobatic, but you have to keep the speed up. Unlike other kind of fixed wing models, this does stall at, you know, relatively high speed. So it's kind of a jet, isn't it? Pusher jet, so you have to keep the speed up. But anyway, that is the Eachine F-22 Raptor from our friends at Banggood.com. The link is in the video description. Look it up, look at the price, see what you think. But thanks to Al on camera, and thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Look forward to sharing the next one with you. See you next time.